In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a content manager on your Wix website. So you want to go into the backend of your site. Once you're here, you can click on Site Actions, which will then launch this drop-down menu where you can click on Edit Site. Now this will send you over to the classic Wix website editor. This might take a while, so I'll get back to you once this is loaded. Alright, and here we are inside the classic Wix website editor, and this is where you can start adding a content manager. So if you take a look at the features on the left side, you'll see all of this, right? So if you go to the add button and you click on that, you'll find even more features, and if you go all the way down, or like almost, you can see content manager. So with this, you can easily manage your site, set up content collections, create hundreds of dynamic pages, build custom forms, and collect info from site visitors. So if you click on add to site, it's gonna add Wix data. So there are 5 steps which we're gonna follow right now. So this is choosing a template. For example, you gotta make sure to check out all of this yourself and just choose the one that you like the most. So I'll just go with a random one for now. I'll go with this one. Right now it's then creating pages. So if you just follow the steps that they're going to show you, you should be able to add content manager. It's that simple. So what it's going to do right now is going to add adding an item to page. Right now adding a list page. So it's just going to do all of this automatically by using the templates. So once this is done, you're done as well. So it's pretty simple. So yeah, I'm not going to go and wait further for this to work. You can see adding a link to the site menu, and there we go. So yeah, there we go. So we've just added a content manager on our site. So yeah, if this simple tutorial helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on the video, and then I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.